Hey there folks, welcome to the Auto Universe. In today's video, we are going to show you the all-new 2019 BMW 3 Series. But before we jump into the video, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button to keep you up to date with the latest auto news and reviews. Now, on to the video. The BMW 3 Series is one of the German firm's most recognizable models. Since it launched in the mid-70s, more than 50 million cars have been sold. And the UK is a seriously popular market for this executive saloon. For that reason, BMW's reluctance to stray too far from a successful formula is entirely understandable. So the time-proven theme of a well-packaged, sporty rear-wheel drive saloon remains a front and center of the model's ethos. In 2019, BMW came out with the 7th generation BMW 3 Series. Starting up front in the kidney grille, which is BMW's distinctive design, really flows well with the headlights. Talking about the headlight, all of the 3 Series came standard with LED headlights and has an optional laser headlights, which is the latest headlight technology from BMW, which of course aids visibility and safety. Moved to the side, the BMW looks quite compact even though it is actually wider than the previous models. And the rear is dominated by the new aggressive 3D rear light. It essentially makes a sporty look on the 3 Series. Inside, you will be first greeted with BMW's latest digital gauge cluster, a new infotainment system with the latest iDrive system. There are redundancy in terms of controlling the infotainment system. One of them is gesture control, which allows you to do a certain gesture in front of the infotainment system to operate various functions such as turning up the volume or hanging up your phone. And the BMW 3 Series is the first car from BMW to load the intelligent personal assistant with the wake-up call, "Hey BMW." It can do various things in the car, from opening up the sunroof into playing your music. It can do all of that. But that's just boring. The BMW Intelligent Personal Assistant would actually learn your driving behavior and allowing you to automate more things as you go. And of course, the standard safety features such as automated emergency braking, lane keeping assist, and blah blah blah. But there is one more feature that really distinguishes BMW from its rivals, which is the reversing assistant that remembers your steering input. Let's say when you are in a tight parking space and tries to get out, the BMW reversing assistant will do it for you.